Hello friends, we have been looking into the current affairs issues and the potential questions for civil service examinations relating to the current affairs issues as part of the crash course to civil service exams in the continuing sessions. Let us continue with the other issues relating to fundamental rights that has been in news for some reason in the recent past. The next important fundamental right relating to Constitution of India that is in news is Article 16, which is relating to public employment and more specifically reservation. Okay, public employment and reservation. Article 16 of the Constitution guarantees to every citizen of India the right to public employment. Article 16 declares that no citizen of India shall be declared ineligible or disqualified to any public employment under the state, which means union, states or any local authority or public sector undertakings on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, descent, sex, place of birth, or residence, or any of them. These grounds can also be asked in the question. Religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth or residence or any of them. So this is what the right guaranteed by Article 16. However, there is one exemption. In case of place of birth or residence, in case there is a need for reserving or allocating certain positions in the government for people belonging to a particular place who are born in a particular state or who are residing in a particular state, then that can be done only by a law of the Parliament. Article 16 clause 3 deals with that. Right? This is the exemption is given by Article 16 clause 3. Place of birth or residence can be prescribed as a requirement for public employment if required only by law of the Parliament and states don't have any power regarding that. So that is Article 16 clause 3. So far so good. You have this at the back of your mind for the moment. Then comes the most important thing, Article 16 clause 4, which provides for the reservation in public employment. According to Article 16 clause 4, the state is empowered to reserve certain positions in the public employment for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and backward classes. Scheduled caste, we all know, any caste that is declared by the President of India under Article 341 will be called as a scheduled caste. Similarly, by Article 342, the President of India, in consultation with the governors of the states, will draw up the list and publish the list of castes which will be considered as scheduled tribes. Then those will enjoy the reservation. The main contention became the backward classes. Right? What do you mean by backwardness? Right? Now this is a very important issue to be discussed. You have to clearly understand. For the first time, basically when reservation was, although the reservation was guaranteed by the Constitution, it is provided for in Article 16 clause 4. Article 16 clause 4 could not be implemented because of the conflict between Article 15 and 16. In fact, Article 15 clause 2 was conflicting with Article 16 clause 4. Article 15 clause 2 says the state shall not discriminate any citizen on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth or any of them. Now, while giving reservation, the Constitution provides for reserving seats for SC, ST and backward class, which is based on caste. So this was challenged. The most important challenge came from the Champakam Dorairajan versus State of Madras case. In that case only, first Article 15 and the conflict between Article 15 and 16 were highlighted. When the then government of Tamil Nadu, the government of Madras Presidency wanted to extend reservations to backward classes SC and ST in the Madras Medical College. When the conflict was brought out by this case, it was realized that there is a need for resolving this conflict. So the Constitution First Amendment Act was enacted and Article 15 clause 4 was inserted. And Article 15 clause 4 provides for the concept of special protection or positive discrimination. People are discriminated. In order to provide for reservation in the public employment, people are discriminated on the ground of, say, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or backward classes. However, this discrimination is positive in order to give a special protection to people who have been deprived of their rights for generations together. So that is the fundamental idea. So, when people are deprived due to certain practices, historical, social and cultural, and because of that their rights have been deprived, they are denied. Now it is the duty of a welfare state to ensure such people are guaranteed with the rights so that the society becomes an equitable society with egalitarianism. In order to provide that, special protection was innovated by Article 15 clause 4, which was inserted by the First Amendment Act 1951. After the First Amendment Act, Article 15 clause 4 came into existence, and let us understand the concept of reservation clearly. Why reservation is provided for? Article 14 of the Constitution guarantees equality before law, and equal protection of law. While equality before law is relating to rule of law, equal protection of law relates to equity with respect to access to resources and benefits. Clear? Now, from this flows, remember Article 14 is always considered to be a principle based on which all the other fundamental rights are operating. So, equality before law and equal protection of law gives way to Article 15, which is the right against discrimination. Because in India, the equality and equity were affected because of discrimination also. This resulted in discrimination, and this discrimination resulted in inequity. In order to avoid, so this resulted in inequity due to deprivation. To offset this, reservation was provided for in the Constitution, Article 16, Clause 4. Unfortunately, this conflicted with Article 15, Clause 2. So how this conflict is to be set right? No other go, which means Article 15 has to be amended. See, 14 and 15 are a cause for reservation, but unfortunately 15 is conflicting with 16 itself. Right? The remedy, the need for remedy conflicts with the remedy here. Article 15 is a need for remedy, and this reservation is a remedy. The need for remedy is conflicting with the so First Amendment Act 1951 inserted Article 15, Clause 4, which enables 16, Clause 4. Very simple. This is a cycle. If you know the cycle, if you can clearly understand the cycle, it will be very easy for you to understand this reservation, how it works. Clear? See, this understanding is very much required for you to answer questions in the mains as well. More specifically, especially students who are having public administration as your optional. Right? Public administration optional students, be careful in paper 2. In the mains public administration paper 2 with respect to rural development or the development chapter. Rural development, urban development chapter, where these type of questions are asked. Once in the mains general studies also, they have asked a very straight question relating to special protection of Article 15. How far do you think the special protection guaranteed by Article 15, Clause 4 has been working and has been enabled for the achievement of society? This type of question was once asked in the mains GS itself, and also in public administration paper 2, and in sociology and society, Indian society paper also this can be asked. So try to understand this concept clearly. This is a basic requirement of, this is a conceptual framework of how reservation works. Alright? But yet the reservation has always been an issue, and in the year 2000 there was a question in essay relating to reservation policy and politics in India. This was a question asked in essay year 2000. So reservation has been a controversial element all through. So let us having understood the conceptual framework, let us try to understand more about the fundamental rights and reservation in the subsequent sessions also. So make note of these issues. Let us come back to these issues because we have more current affairs issues relating to fundamental rights and reservation we shall see in the subsequent sessions also. Thank you, friends.